Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at which RSI gives you the signal to buy and the RSI that also gives you signal to sell. So we're going to do that with respect to these questions. That is being thrown on my YouTube channel, and this is the question. This is the question. It says there are 3 RSI values. So please, which color value will determine you to buy or to sell? So without a waste of time, let's dive into this particular exchange and answer these particular questions without a waste of time. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So let's dive into that without a waste of time. Here we are. You can see you must first come to turn on the RSI. Okay, you must first turn on the RSI, and the first RSI 16 is in 30. RSI 12 has 39.54. Then RSI 24, all right, it has 42.26 respectively, and also with different colors respectively. You can see this first one. This first RSI is this rope yellow. The second RSI is this line yellow, which is this one, and the third RSI is this line purple, which is this one. Now you have these 3 RSI always on. It's time you turn on the what? The RSI. Okay, now let's look at how this particular resistance index works. All right, so each time you see something of this very nature, those lines must be monitored. These 3 lines you see, they must be what? They must be monitored if you really want to gain profit and also really don't want to lose your cryptocurrency coin. All right, so the first thing you just need to do is to focus on this first RSI and its what? And its movement. You can see it up and down. You focus on the RSI and its movement. Okay, focus on these ones too and their movement. One of the major things you should concentrate on is that this yellow, when this yellow is at the top, then there's going to be an uptrend move. And if this yellow is facing down, there's going to be a downtrend move. Okay, that is, if it's going up, it means buyers have taken over, and if it's coming down, it means sellers have taken over or are taking over. All right, you must buy when RSI is below 30. That is, when RSI is below 30 is oversold, and when RSI is overbought, and when RSI is over 70, then is oversold. You must take note of this. Before you buy, make sure RSI is below 30. Before you buy, make sure RSI is below 30. And before you sell, make sure RSI is above 70. Because when RSI is above 70, a lot of traders might likely want to sell. And when it's below 30, oversold, a lot of traders might find the cryptocurrency coin interesting and they might start buying. All right, so you must take note of this. Okay, now he said which particular RSI you need to concentrate on, or that give you signal to buy or signal to sell. The particular RSI that actually does that is this first RSI, the ones in yellow. So when you see this one in yellow going above 70, it means the coin is overbought. If this first RSI is going above 70, it means the particular coin is overbought. You should start watching clearly and preparing to sell. And when it's below 30, it means it's oversold. At that junction, you can start buying. Okay, but first, You must consider this, the movement for it. Okay, now I'll give you an example. You see this particular place now, you can see what's happening there. If you can get this place, let me know at the comment section. Tell me I'm getting it or I'm learning something. Okay, so you can see them right here. Now that this particular yellow is coming down, it means it's not a good time for you to buy. Okay, and those particular one, purples and the rest, this particular blue is coming down as well, and the purple is somehow neutral. You only buy when you see something like this going up. You can see it work with this. You can see this equal to this. Okay, when this is going up, when this has successfully crossed the two line, that's when you should buy. Okay, and you must watch carefully their movement and also follow up carefully with those candlesticks movement. So I think your question is being answered, right? So thank you so much for watching to this end. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and if you haven't liked, please do. And you also need to share so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.